Hey guys, Mr.III here with an Amazon tech review. So, right in front of us, we have a M7 5.0 Bluetooth speaker from a Chinese company called SANAG. They sent this one out to try. We're going to open it up and see. I'm going to go put up these specs right up here for you guys to see so I don't have to bore you out and read them. If you guys enjoy, listening to me just randomly talk about them, let me know in the comments. But if not, I'm just cutting this thing open right here, and we're gonna see what's actually in this box. This thing runs for about, there we go, 30 bucks. I think there's a promotion of like 5% off right now, so you can get it a little less. Standard cardboard, plastic, and actually that's the speaker right there. Feels like a little fabric on the outside. I don't know what, like a little metal on top and plastic on the. I'm trying to see if it's plastic or metal on the bottom. Plastic. Let's see what else comes in this box. More of that. It's a micro USB, not a Type-C. Warranty card that to carry it around, and it also has this little rubber thing. They showed like a picture on a bike. And the manual. So big things that I saw this thing having was a 18,000 milliamp battery, which they said supposedly can give you 12 hours of music on a full charge. And then if you have that medium volume, it's supposed to give you at least 15 hours. Alright, so that was like a little view around it. All it has right there is a reset and the micro USB charger port. It's supposed to be waterproof too, so that's going to be a nice thing. Has the plus, minus. Buttons feel good. Let's get this thing connected. Alright, so currently I'm recording with my Note, and I have my old S7 Edge right here. This battery is shot, to be honest, in that phone, so right now I'm keeping it alive with a wireless charger, and also, well heck, my port caught on fire too. So it just keeps burning these cables, so I can't charge it that way. I know. If you guys get this on video, it would be even better. So I'm gonna go do a connection. I'm not sure. I hope this thing is charged. And we're going to see how easy it is to connect to this phone. So first I'm going to pull up Bluetooth, turn it on, turn the device on, speaker, see a blue light, and it did a little sound right there. Let's go see, what do we have? There it is, M7, that easy. Let's see if there's another sound. Pairing, there we go, that's it. Let's see, I want to make sure I have this thing maxed out. Okay, so it beeped all the way up to the top. This is one of the songs I kind of like right now on YouTube. Almost forgetting how to use this old phone. Don't worry, it's a copyright-free song, or no copyright. Let's max this out. Alright, so impressions from that. Sound, well, it says it's supposed to have 360 surround sound, but clearly you can hear the drivers are right here in the front. So we listen to the back, you're not getting anything. I don't even think this has a subwoofer. I thought this was a subwoofer right up here, but you're not even getting no flexion. So, and that thing was maxed, which, to be honest, I have a lot of small speakers, and they get louder than this. I thought that was maxed out type of thing. Let's see if I hold this. Does it have any commands? Okay, I went to a next song. I don't know why I love you. Commercial. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna go test the song with some bass. So I'm gonna go to, let's do Eminem's Godzilla song. Or Just For Me. I don't know. I don't want to get any copyright strikes here, but I want to just hear it. You're a monster. I can swallow a bottle of alcohol in a feel like Godzilla. Better hit the deck like the Cardilla. Brain union, which is probably the same reason I wrestle with mania shaggies in this bitch. I'm posse up. Consider it to cost me. So just listening to that, I'll give you guys some clippets of whatever. So hopefully that doesn't, throw any red flags. But actually, it actually sounds better on that song. Let's see. I'm gonna go do Gorillaz Feel Good and see how that sounds. My final conclusion on this speaker, or what I think. To be honest, it's okay for the price, 30 bucks, but I think I could find still a better speaker out there. Like sound quality, I'll give it maybe a B- the highest. If not, it's a C+. Because I've heard a lot. I mean, I love my Harding Carmen over there. That Onyx speaker is beautiful. But I'm comparing a speaker that's around $300 to something that's 30 bucks. So that's kind of hard. And this price range, if you guys heard that, the differences. I tested some vocal, did some rap with bass, and then another like techno song. It works, but this is a Bluetooth speaker I'd take to the pool or hiking or something like that. If it got damaged, I'm not gonna cry about it. That's my final opinion about this. Alright, well anyway, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I have a lot of Amazon reviews coming up soon, so stay tuned.